The customer lies flat first, then clean the upper arms with towel. The customer's arms lie down with the inside up. Apply 2 layers of suitable sized freezing masks on upper arms. Set energy level. Set 20 minutes, 5 degrees Celsius, 50% section, and start. Please note, it is advised to set 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, 8 to 10 minutes for the first time of use. Increase the time to 20 to 30 minutes after adoption. Adjust the section according to one's feeling. The bigger the section is, the tighter the section on fat is. Attach the freeze handle and upper arm, which is with a freezing mask on it. Please note, do not attach the probe on the bones of the customer. The skin will feel tight, ice, and numbing. These are normal phenomena. During the process, try to ask the customer's feeling for many times. If the customer feels not good, stop the machine immediately. The machine will stop automatically when the operating time is up. Take off the handle and clean it. Put it back to the rack. Remove the freezing mask and clean the arms with towel. Please note, the operating area may have slight redness, numbness, or slight bruise. Don't worry, they are normal phenomena after vacuum. They will disappear in 3 to 7 days. Please note, please keep warm after operation. Avoid wearing t-shirt and vest, and avoid getting cold. Drink warm water to moisturize and accelerate the metabolism. Take a shower in 4 to 6 hours after operation. Do not overeating or stay up. Do not scratch at the operated area. Do not knead or press the operated area. Do the same on the other side.